Hi, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Father Luciano Feloni, Parish Priest ng Kristong Hari sa Diocese of Novaliches and vlogger ng Almusalita. And sa ngalan po ng CBCP Episcopal Commission on Mission, I want to invite all of you to join the launching of the Year of Mission at Gentes. Isa napakaganda po, papasok po tayo sa 500 years of being Christians dito sa Pilipinas at ang tema ay Gifted to Give. Wow, napakaganda, no? Napaka-touching naman ang tema. We have been gifted ang biyaya ng pananampalataya. Tayo ay Katoliko, tayo ay Kristiyano. Regalo po ng Diyos ito sa Pilipinas. Imagine nyo, pinakamaraming Christians sa buong Asia ay dito sa Pilipinas. Such a gift. And we receive and we remember yung gift na ito, but we remember also that we are gifted to give. And so, ang mission ay nasa ating kamay din. Ang mission na ipahayag ang Panginoon ay nasa ating palad din. Mission at Gentes means mission sa mga hindi pa nakakakilala kay Kristo. At yung mission na yan ay nasa puso ng simbahan. Ngayong Saturday, November 28, alas 3 ng hapon, ay mailo-launch officially of the Year of Mission at Gentes, together with the CBCP Episcopal Commission on Mission. You can join many places, but you can join the Facebook page ng CBCP Episcopal Commission on Mission. You can join the Facebook page of your own diocese. You can join also in our Almusalita. And together, let us watch together the launching of the Year of Mission at Gentes. Again, Sabado na, ngayon Sabado na, alas 3 ng hapon. And join us, join the whole church, join the whole Catholic Church in the Philippines to proclaim happily that we are gifted, but also to acknowledge happily too na we are gifted to give. Na ang biyaya ng pananampalataya, hindi ho pwedeng itago, hindi ho pwedeng isarili lang, ay kailangang ipahayag, ipahiwatig sa lahat. Happy Year of Mission at Gentes sa inyong lahat. God bless and see you on Saturday.